This video is going to give us a brief introduction into function notation. So function notation is generally used in order to name functions. If we recall from our previous video, a function is a relation in which every unique x value has only one possible y value. So in function notation, what we're going to do is we're generally going to replace every time we write a relation as y equals an equation, we're going to change that into f at x, where x is in brackets. And basically what this means is this is read as f at x or f of x, and it's a renaming of our function. We're going to use the letter f to name the function. We can use any letter from a to z, but generally we keep them as lowercase letters in order to name our function. The second part is the x value, which is inside the bracket, and that's the variable that would normally appear inside our equation. So, for example, if I had the equation y equals 2 times x, this is the equation of a line. In function notation, if I want to call this function f, I would write this as f at x, or f of x, equals 2 times x. So in this equation, f would be the name of the function, and x is the variable that appears. Similarly, if I gave you a different equation, and let's call this one y equals 6b squared plus 4b. In this equation, you'll see that instead of x as my variable, we've changed it to the letter b. So I don't want to call it the same letter f. I'm going to give it a new letter. Let's call it g. And this time, instead of having f at x, I'm going to have g at b, or g of b, and it's going to equal 6b squared plus 4b.